Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back again on new video. Today I'm going to make hot Spanish latte. If you like my video, so please like, and if you new here, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. White chocolate. Oh wow, really it's so tasty. It's hot Spanish latte. So guys, thank you for watching. Hope you like my video, and if you like my video, so please again like, and if you new here, so subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. See you next video.